To use Exxon Mobil rewards at the pump, start by signing up for the Exxon Mobil Rewards program, which can be done through the Exxon Mobil website or mobile app. Once you have signed up, you will receive a rewards card, or you can use the mobile app to access your rewards account. Next, locate an Exxon or Mobil gas station near you, as the rewards program can only be used at participating locations. When you arrive at the gas station, insert your payment card or select the mobile payment option at the pump. Then, select the Exxon Mobil Rewards option on the screen and enter your rewards card number or log into your mobile app account. If you are using the mobile app, you can also use the app to activate the rewards at the pump. Once you have logged in, your rewards balance will be displayed on the screen, and you can choose to apply your rewards to your current purchase. For every 100 points you have earned, you can save 10 cents per gallon on your fuel purchase. After you have applied your rewards, select your fuel type and begin fueling your vehicle. The rewards will be automatically applied to your purchase, and you will see the discounted price on the screen. To earn more rewards, be sure to use your Exxon Mobil Rewards card or mobile app for all of your fuel purchases, as well as for purchases at the convenience store. You can also earn bonus rewards by purchasing certain items, such as coffee or snacks, at the convenience store. By following these steps, you can easily use your Exxon Mobil rewards at the pump and start saving money on your fuel purchases. Remember to always keep your rewards card or mobile app handy, so you can take advantage of the rewards program every time you visit an Exxon or Mobil gas station.